Welcome to Hustle Tech University. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Amazon links to your YouTube channel after the February 28th revisions. Let's get started. Welcome to Hustle Tech University. My name is Jezus Cain, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more helpful tech tutorials, do yourself a favor right now. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. After February 28th, the Amazon affiliate program changed the way you can access links. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do so. All gas, no brakes, we going in. Okay, adding Amazon links to your YouTube channel is very simple. All you have to do is log into your Amazon affiliate account. You have to have an Amazon affiliate account already to be able to access links. So if you haven't already done so, please sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Once you're signed up, all you have to do is sign into your actual account. Go to the top section and select the item that you want to produce a link for. In this case, we're going to do one for a Canon Pixma 2522 printer. Next, you select the actual item that you want to make the link for. Okay, once you've done that, you scroll to the upper left hand corner to Site Stripe. Scroll to the right. Now here are the list of links that you want. Either you can get a regular simple text, a image link, or a text and image link. I just want a simple short link, so I'm just going to go over here to text. Make sure you have your store ID and tracking ID number. Here's the link right here. Just right click on it, copy, go to your YouTube channel and paste the link. There it is. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this particular revision, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality studio equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the links that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more helpful tech tutorials, why haven't you already done so? Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're a content creator, we're going to show you a free editing software called Shotcut. That's what we use for our videos. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus Cain. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.